Hey y'all, what's up? This your girl J Baby and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, which that y'all didn't tell me, okay? I had to go to altar and I saw it, okay? I just want y'all to know I saw it. So today's video is going to be on Ariana Grande Cloud Pink. So I wanted to open it with you guys. I had this for like a week now, and because I've been trying to get the series out, y'all. And I still have some things back there I'm trying to hide for the series, okay? Because I don't want you to see it. So I'm still going to be doing the series, but I wanted to get this out because I wanted to actually put this away. So, y'all, I already have, yesterday in series 3, I had did the Ariana Grande Cloud dupe. So I do have Ariana Grande Cloud Perfume. I do have that one. Of course, the cloud, I got rid of it. So I don't have it, but I am going to keep this one. So this is what this is right here. So we already know that cloud, Ariana Cloud is a floral fruity gourmand type of smell. So we are going, well, scent. So we are going to open up this one here. And I've never smelt it besides in the store, but I've never like smelt it or ran it on me. I smelled it in the store, but I didn't wear it. So we're going to do that. So on the side, it has a cloud right there on the side of there and a cloud on the side here. This right here is indented actually. And it has a cloud with Ariana Grande on there. So I went on and picked up the 3.4 ounce bottle, and this is 100 mil. Oh, it's cute. This is how I look inside. This is really cute. It's a pink bottle. Oh, it's huge. Oh, it's huge, y'all. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness, girl. Okay, can I get you out of here? We love that top, y'all. We love that see-through. Girl, it's pretty. Okay, I can't. Are you stuck? Okay, it's not stuck. This cloud is heavy, y'all. Okay, so this is what she looks like right here. She is beautiful. Thumbnail. Okay, anyway, y'all love my glasses. She is beautiful, and she is, like I said, 100 ml bottle. She looks like Chanel, like Chanel Chance bottle. Really beautiful. This see-through, girl, this is beautiful. So anyway, I want to go ahead on and tell you this is glass. I'm pretty sure y'all already know because this came out last year, 2023. This definitely came out 2023. And I believe Ariana Grande came out 2018, I think. 2018. And I think this one 2023, last year. So she's fairly new. So, girl, I want to get my sniffers on this. Okay, let's go ahead and grab us something to smell this with. I don't have to smell the Ariana Cloud. You already know what cloud smell like. I'm hoping you do. But I will give you the notes to this. If you looked at my review yesterday, you would see it. But anyway, if you didn't, I will give them to you again. So let's get these sprays out. The spray is nice. Baby. Oh, this smells like cloud, y'all. This smells like cloud. But oh, this smells like Ariana Grande Cloud. But like but fruity. It smells sweet. Oh my goodness, this smells really good. Y'all look at the sizes of these bottles. That small one, this big one. But this smells so beautiful. Oh my goodness, this smells so beautiful. Okay, so let me go ahead on. Oh, y'all, this smells so good. Okay, this smells like it's amber, like amber is in here. I don't know. Vanilla, I smell vanilla. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. This smells like candy a little bit, but with a cloud DNA with it, okay? It smells like cloud. It definitely does. So let me go ahead and get my notes. I have my notes here. Let's see. Let's go ahead and get the Ariana Grande cloud notes out here. It says that it's pear, bergamot. Well, the top notes are lavender, pear, bergamot. Middle notes are whipped cream, coconut, praline, and vanilla. Vanilla orchard. The base notes are musk and woody notes. So the cloud pink has the notes of amber, I'm sorry. Dragon fruit. They call it pitaya or something like that. I call it the same thing as dragon fruit. Wild berries and pineapple. What? Pineapple. I don't smell no pineapple, y'all. Pineapple. That's different. That's probably why this is sweet like that with the dragon fruit and the pineapple. So I see that the dragon fruit is different and the pineapple is different from Ariana Grande. Okay, then it also has in there coconut water, wild berries, all of that is in there. Ambre, and the base notes are praline, musk, and amberwood and moss. Y'all, this smells so good. Now I'm gonna tell you, this does smell like cloud. It does, but it smells like they are definitely in the family, y'all. This is sweet. This is really sweet. So yeah, this is sweet. Definitely. This one right here is more floral, and it's floral fruity, but it's like a gourmand. And this one right here is more of a vanilla. Just smell vanilla, but it smell like it's like sweet earth. It's sweeter than this one. It's sweeter than cloud, definitely. This more woodsy though. But it's a good gourmand, but it's still woodsy. This one right, like I said yesterday, is woodsy, but this one right here, baby, this smells beautiful. This smells really beautiful. I have a lot of Ariana Grande's perfumes. Um, I think the God is a Woman. I have that one. I have God, I have so many of them over here. I have the Maud, the vanilla, there she is right here. One right here. Then I have one that's right there, and there should be one that's right there. This one right here. This one is Ariana Grande's. I think this one is God is Woman or something like that. And I didn't really put a big dent in her, but I have been weighing her. Love her. Okay, but I love how she had the packaging and stuff. But y'all, I'm letting this dry down a little bit more. This smells really sweet. This has like a candy type of smell in it as well. So that's probably with the dragon fruit giving it in the, you know, if it's pineapple, I don't smell the pineapple, but I do smell the vanilla. And I do smell the coconut water. I smell coconut water a whole lot. Yeah, I smell the coconut water a lot. Vanilla. This smells very beautiful. Ariana, good job. Good job, girl. Good job. So, yeah. I just wanted to just get this out. This is my review on the Ariana Grande Pink Cloud, or Cloud Pink. What is it? Cloud Pink. Girl, what did I do with the box? Cloud Pink. Okay. So let me spray it inside the box. I like to spray inside the box as well. Oh, the sprayer is ridiculously amazing. Look, it spray a lot though. Girl. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is very, very fruity. Very fruity. It smells ambery, vanilla-y. You smell the coconut water, definitely. And I'm still trying to smell that. Oh, I do get a whiff of the pineapple. No, that's gone now. Yeah, that's gone. I smelled it. Yeah, I smell it more inside the box than I do on this. It smells amazing. I really like it. So I'm glad that I did buy it. This one right here sold for, it's selling for $68, but you could get a small one. I think the 1 point something, the 1.0 full ounce. I think it's this one right here. This one would be $48 they have now. And I paid $68 for this one right here. $68 is, it's not, I mean, it's not expensive, you know, but I can understand if you probably want to just go ahead. $48 is, you know, I've had this for a while, so you do get a lot. It depends on if you are over sprayer, but with these you don't have to spray a lot. You only need a little bit. A little bit goes a long way, guys. So I am excited to have this in my collection, and I wanted to get it out of the way. So yes, Ariana Grande Cloud Pink. And she is gorgeous. I'm going to keep the cloud this time. I had got rid of the cloud, but I'm going to keep the cloud this time. Yeah, so okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead on and get on out of here because I have some videos to record. I'm going to record actually series. Y'all got hair everywhere. Keep messing with me. Series 4 of the Five Below perfume. So I don't know which one I am going to record, but I have to go do a little bit of research. That way I can be able to get some notes to some of these, and then I will come back and do the video. So stay tuned for that video. Be on the lookout for that video because I'm definitely going to review it. Review another perfume for you guys. It's a dupe again, and I hope you guys are just enjoying the series, period. If you are, just comment down below and let me know. Jay, I'm looking forward to, you know, series 4, or, you know, oh, I enjoy, you know, the series that you're doing, because I'm bringing you affordability, y'all. This is affordable perfume that you can get your hands on and smell amazing. Just smell amazing for a fraction. Really, not even a fraction of the price, honey, but really, really, really cheap, okay? Really cheap. So, y'all already know, J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. Oh, yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, y'all. It's free, okay? It's free. We like free things. It's free. Subscribe to my channel. And if you came back more than once, y'all, you might as well just join the family, okay? Join the family, and as you join, tell me what you want, okay? You know, sometimes we say join and you don't get what you want, but you tell me what you want. I'll make it be able to bring it to you, okay? All right, guys, so be blessed and not stressed.